Good morning students. In 12 starts, today we will continue exercise 3.2. Now we are taking question number 8. What is given in the question? The following results are obtained to study the relation between the price of battery of wrist watch in rupees and its supply in 100 units that we have denoted by Y. Now students, what information is given in the question? N is equals to 100. N is equals to 10, sigma x is equals to 130, sigma y is equals to 220, sigma x square is equals to 2288, sigma xy is equals to 3467. Obtain the regression line of y on x and estimate the supply when price is rupees 16. So students, first of all, from the given information we have to obtain the value of constant b. Now students, in these type of question, it means in the short sums we have to apply the formula according to the information. So here in the question, as we are seeing the information that we have been given is sigma x, then sigma y, sigma x square and sigma xy. So here we will put the formula of b, constant b is equals to n multiplies sigma xy minus sigma x multiplies sigma y upon n multiplies sigma x square minus sigma x whole square. Now students, we will put the value accordingly. So n's value is 10, sigma xy, its value is 3467, sigma x is 130 and sigma y is 220, and in the denominator n is equals to 10, sigma x square is equals to 2288, sigma x whole square is 130, so we will put the whole square. Now students, we will multiply 10 with this number and we will multiply 130 and 220, so the answer is 28,600. Now students, multiplication of these two and the square of 130, that is 16,900. So we will do the sum accordingly and we will subtract 28,600 from 34,670. So the answer is 6,070, and we will subtract 16,900 from 22,880. So the answer is 5,980. Now students, we have to divide 6,070 by 5,980. So the answer is 1.02. So 1.02 is the value of constant b. Now students, we have to find the value of a. Now a's formula is y bar minus b x bar. So students, first of all we have to find the value of y bar and x bar. Y bar value we will find, formula is sigma y upon n. Sigma y we have been given 220 and n is 10. So accordingly we will calculate, and y bar is 22. Next, x bar, same formula, sigma x upon n. Sigma x is 130 and n is 10. So accordingly y bar's value is 30. Now we will put these two values in the formula of a, constant a. So y bar is equals to 22 minus b's value just now we got, that is 1.02, we will multiply it by x bar's value, that is 13. So students, here we are getting the value of a, that is 8.74. Now students, we will put the value of a and b, constant value, in our regression line. So regression line's formula is y is equals to a plus bx. So a's value is 8.74 plus b constant's value we got 1.02 and x, that is a variable. Now students, in the question what is given, we have to estimate the supply when price is rupees 16. So here we will put x value 16. So accordingly we will calculate, and here the value that we are getting of y is equals to 25.0600 units. So students, I hope this question is clear to you. Now we are taking our next question, that is question number 9. So students, here question number 9 is given. What is given in the question? The information regarding maximum temperature X and sale of ice cream of 6 different days in summer for a city is given below. Now we have been given maximum temperature as X and sale of ice cream as Y. Now additional information, what is given? X bar's value, that is 40, then Y bar's value, that is 1.2, sigma xy is equals to 306. Next, s square x, it means variance of x, that we have been given 20. Next, obtain the regression line of sale of ice cream on maximum temperature. Estimate the sale of ice cream if the maximum temperature on a day is 42 Celsius. Now students, as I told you earlier also, whatever information we have been given in the question, accordingly we have to put the formula. So here students, as you are seeing which formula I have written here. So B is equals to sigma xy minus n multiply x bar multiply y bar upon n multiply s square x. So students, we will put the values. Sigma xy is equals to 306 minus n we have been given 6. Next, x bar 40, y bar is equals to 1.2 upon n's value 6. Again variance of x we have been given 20. So students, we will do the calculation accordingly, and here the constant b's value we are getting 0.15. Next, now we will calculate the value of A. A is equals to y bar minus bx bar. Now y bar's value we have been given 1.2 minus b's value just now we got, that is 0.15. Then x bar's value, that is 40. So we will multiply 0.15 by 40, that is 6. So 1.2 minus 6 is equals to minus 4.8. We will put both these constants value in our regression line. So first of all, we will write the regression line, that is y is equals to a plus bx. So students, here we got a's value in the minus negative. So here we will write the sign minus 4.8 plus b is equals to 0.15 and x, that is variable. Again we have been given, we have to find the maximum temperature on a day if we have to find the sale of ice cream if the maximum temperature on a day is 42 degrees Celsius. So students, here in place of x we have to put 42. So here we have written 42, and the sale of ice cream that we are getting is 1.5 lakh rupees. So students, I hope this question is clear to you. So accordingly you have to finish the exercise.